This is the most exciting part na aming travel, na aming work trip.
So ayun na nga, andito kami ngayon sa Singapore for a 5-day and 4-night cruise via Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. This is actually my first ever cruise kaya sobrang excited ako. At syempre, all expense paid ng boss namin kaya mas masaya. Sinama kami ng boss namin kasi mahilig talaga sila mag-cruise. And I think first time nila mag-cruise sa Asian countries. Bali from Singapore, pupunta yung cruise namin ng Malaysia, 1 day doon, then the next day sa Phuket, Thailand naman, then tsaka babalik ng Singapore. Itong Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas, meron siyang guest capacity na 4,246. So pagpasok pa lang namin sa cruise, wow, na-amaze talaga agad ako. At ang daming stores, ang daming pwedeng mga puntahan at activities na pwedeng gawin. Nagulat ako, ang dami rin pala mga Pilipino dito. So, bali dito sila nagtatrabaho. So, aside syempre sa guest, may mga workers or nagtatrabaho rin dito sa cruise na mga Pilipino. So, ito si ate nakita namin. So, ino-offeran niya kami ng product nila. Syempre, tinatanong na rin namin magkano ba yung kinikita dito. Malit yung mag-apply kami. Joke lang.
Kunyari wala akong experience.
Ay, sasamahan ko muna.
Experience? Wala akong experience. Para ba sa agency? Wala ba? Pero paano yung ano yung pagkain? Unlimited din? Unlimited din yung food mo? Wow.
Bali kapag nakapasok na kayo sa ship, hindi agad-agad makakapunta dun sa may pinaka-state room nyo. So, bali may kailangan pang gawin, parang check-in something. Pero ayun, itong nakapasok na kami sa room, ito yung itsura ng room namin. So, hindi naman siya super duper laki, pero very comfortable naman. And ayan, dalawa kami dyan sa room na yan. And pwede namang mag-request na paghiwalayin yung kama. Bali magiging dalawang single beds siya. And then, ito yung balcony namin. So, ang ganda ng view sa labas. Pero, syempre, mas na-enjoy rin talaga namin yung activity sa loob ng cruise.
And then going there. The buffet. Friday. Look, camera of the camera. There's a lot. There's a lot. Oh my god. Oh.
There's only one section.
Yeah.
Mike and I will watch this a little bit, then we'll go get the table while you still get the select. So let's just go and start looking so then you'll know what you want.
Okay. Maghanap sila ng chair and table. Marami oh. busog. Daming food. Kampay po. Ano pangalan mo? Here. Tapos saan ka galing dati? Costa. Saan? Costa. Saan yun eh? Mas mabigas na ng ano. Southern. Ay, mas baba? Eh, mas ano dun na? Western. Western Costa. Mahirap pag naasin ka dito. Sa ano? Area na to. Medyo, pero paano kayo ina-assign? Or dito rotational? Pag ano, example sa akin, bago pa lang, nasa rotational, wala ako na-assign. Pag bago pa lang. Tapos after 3 months, pwede ka mag-apply for sa mga retail dun sa
Taga-saan ka sa Pilipinas?
Iloilo.
Ayun.
Dito ka na mag-work kung saan mo na kayo.
Eh di na si Sandra.
Balik ka dito ah.
Complimentary.
Yeah. Ano?
Yes, please. Thank you very much. You can fill it up. Is it grits? It's grits. So grits are very common in the South. Very
Spoonful this year.
Heavy.
Oh, thank you. Or green bread. Go ahead. Did you ever eat anything by the bumper cars?
No.
It was
You know,
so kagaya ng noodles kanina.
We have a
Yes,
surprise for you. You guess what?
Can you guess what is the surprise?
It's blood. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You guys did not have to get us
Blood. You're not stuck.
We really did not over.
$100 the other day.
That's going to be on our reimbursement.
Just kidding. Just kidding. you,
We are so laughing
So,
about it.
thank you. You did not have to get us anything.
Should we take it out?
Yeah.
Of course.
they really did not oversleep.
Oh,
Yeah.
you need that.
Whoa.
Yes.
have to do that.
Thank you. And this?
Was it my idea?
That's my mirth.
No. Oh yeah, MERS.
Actually, do you know I wanted
Thank
one of
you.
these?
Oh
In all
my
seriousness?
No, but
You guys.
I saw that and I thought, oh, Mike should have one. 90% off.
That's nice, John.
Because we thought that
Tell me you spent a fortune.
no.
It's a 90% off.
The guy gave it to us because he's Filipino. Just kidding.
Thank you.
We know how to bargain.
You can use that. You can use that when you go to Oregon. Because you're going to Oregon a lot. Yeah.
I'll be. This is beautiful.
And we have to pair.
Thank you.
We have to pair Mike's bag with
I
that.
look pretty good rocking this doing my floss dance. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Mike's been looking since we were, in the United States. It's not common. For men to carry.
Yeah.
we call
A
it
MERS.
Yeah.
But we started noticing in Italy, then we see a lot here. We saw a lot
Like
in
John.
the Philippines. A lot in the
yeah.
Philippines. They have like they carry it here. Like common. And I kept saying to Mike, because it's so hard for a guy, because you've got your phone, you've got your
Wallet.
Whenever we travel, I have my phone, the card keeps, maybe credit cards.
All your pockets.
Hello. Sige yan.
Dubai, tapos dito na.
Hindi. Norwegian cruise line mo.
Norwegian.
Tapos napunta ako ng Europe, sa France.
Which is better? Ito or yung
Same lang yun. It's a bayo. Hi, Kuya.
Welcome to Lapan. Dahil tingnan niyo po, nagkakasama kami. Sino nakatulong ng pagkain? Para nagtutulong kami.
Unlimited yung pagkain dito. Taga saan ka, Kuya?
Ako nagkakalawan na.
Pagpapalawan yung
15 cookies. Wow.
Buti na.
Ay, parang di na mamulan. Kasi may nakakalabas.
Maliit lang pala. Yung pool.
Spectrum of the Seas, Royal Caribbean.
Hindi, wala ako.
Mamayang gabi puntahan natin. Ako kayo na lang. Oh, finally we're here. Ay, pwede ba yun? Ito VIP to, no? Oh. morning! Ala. So alas 2 na madaling araw ngayon. Solo ko yung lugar, walang tao kasi natutulog sila. So usually medyo marami-rami talaga dito. Siyempre tignan mo, ayan o. Parang gusto kong